Hey guys, this is Ben with Shirk Photography and Game Changer Sports Templates, and I want to show you Adobe's new font feature. With Adobe's new font feature, when you open up a template or a document that already has fonts installed and they're using Adobe fonts, it will automatically update for you. When you open up a document using Adobe fonts, this screen may pop up for you. This tells me that a specific font is missing and it's asking me if I want to update the font. Since I'm using Adobe fonts, it will automatically find it. So I'm going to go ahead and resolve fonts, and it should update for you in your characters palette. To find your characters palette, you can go to Windows, navigate down to characters. This is your characters palette. If it doesn't resolve for you, or it's not there and you try to type, for example, if I try to highlight this and it says it's not there, I can click off to the side here, this little drop down arrow, and this box will pop up with all kinds of different fonts. Off to the top bar here is more from Adobe Fonts. So I just click on this. When you're logged on to your account in Adobe, it will automatically bring up this screen here so that you can find lots of different fonts. You can either search for the exact font you want over here. So I type that in. I can click on this then. This is the font I was looking for, and I could activate any font just by choosing to do so. It's as simple as that. If I want to deactivate it, it's just the opposite. So it's very, very simple to add fonts to your Creative Cloud now. If you want to search for new fonts or some other type of font, you don't have to use the font I used. You can search by the type, so sans serif, serif, slab serif, script, things like that. And then you can pick like how thick you want it. If you're looking for very thick letters, go there. You can even type in sample text. So if you know you're looking for example, a basketball, you're gonna type the word basketball in. Now I can look through and see what it looks like and select it. And then once I find one I like, say for example this one, I can click and I can activate all 4 versions of it right at the top, or I can select the particular one that I want, just again by clicking on it and saying go ahead with this. It'll automatically update in Photoshop for you. If you have a font that you can't find on Adobe Fonts, there's another awesome option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this line here, go over more from Adobe, it brings up my Adobe Fonts, and I can do a search, a visual search for it. So I can upload a photo, a scan similar type. So this is for my all-star template here. I can open up that image here, and we'll scan the whole image for the font. So you can see it's found the font and it's saying, is this the one that you want to find? Next step, I can type in Cougars. Now I can find fonts that are very similar to what was used originally. So this Adobe Creative Cloud is very useful for you. If you're not using Adobe Creative Cloud, I would consider upgrading it just for this fact, but there are lots of other extractions and different things like that that make it super useful. And Creative Cloud is only $10 a month if you'd want to subscribe to it. Well, I hope this has some very useful tips for you and helps you out in your font searching. Hope you enjoy the new template, and be sure to check out some of our other templates, actions, and brushes. Talk to you later.